Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. So how are you all? So this is your last day of online classes. So now we will continue or resume our classes in school, inshallah, from 1st of February. So let's start our today's lesson. First of all, we have to mention classwork, and after that date, which is Friday 29th of January 2021. It's your English literature lecture. Your textbook is Read Now, and I'm your English teacher Anam. Your topic sports, words meaning we will do today. Okay, so if you remember the chapter sports, now let's start our work. So our first word is patch. What is the meaning of patch? A part of something marked out of the rest. Patch can be a piece of anything or a part of something marked out of the rest. Now look at this image. This is called a patch. Okay, it is marked, and you can see it is different from the rest of the land, so it is called a patch. Or patch may be of a piece of a cloth or paper. It is also called a patch. Now move to the next word. Second word is muttered. Muttered, what is the meaning of muttered? Say something in low voice. Say something in low voice is called muttered. Next word is stumpy. Stumpy means short and thick. So how does stumpy look like? Look at this image. Look at this. It is short and stumpy. This is also stumpy. Short and thick. Short and thick. It's called stumpy. Okay. Now move to the next word. Next word is spring. Move or jump suddenly. Snorting. Make a sound in an aggressive way. So how does a snorting sound? Listen the voice. You can listen this voice. This is called snorting. So what is the meaning of snorting? Make a sudden sound in an aggressive way. Make a sudden sound in an aggressive way. Now move to the next word. Okay, next word is thumping. Hit or strike. Hit or strike is called thumping. Crouched, adopt a position to defend oneself. So how does the position of crouched call? Looks like. Sorry. Looks like, look at this image. This leopard is crouched. Okay, this is position is called crouched. Now move to the next word. Okay ji, next word is strained. What is the next word? Strained. Pull or push forcibly at something. Now look at the best example of strained. Look at the condition of this man standing in the center. Both sides, they are pulling him towards themselves. It's called strained. Okay, what it is called? It is called strained. Now next word. Number 9 word is cord. What is number 9 word? Cord. Thin or flexible rope, or it may be a wire also. Okay, it is called a cord. Now look at the image of cord. You have seen these types of wires so many times. It is called cord. Okay? Thin and flexible, it's called cord. Now move to the last one. The last word is stake. What is the last word? Stake. The meaning of stake is pole. What is the meaning of stake? Pole. Now look at this image. Now look at the image of this. It is a pole and it is called stake. What it is called? It is called stake. So now if you have any missing work, this is a golden chance you can complete your missing work. This was our topic for today. If you have any kind of problem or want to ask anything, you know how to contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.